Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna, muna. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna, muna. Huwag muna tayong umuwi.
Where are your math grades? Didn't I tell you that you need to get a perfect score?
Mom, I got an 89, but I know I can do better.
89? Isabella, what's happening to you? I told you need to be the best. There's no room for mistakes.
Dear Diary, I'm so tired. I just want to run away from all of this. Will this pain ever end? I don't know if I can keep going. Pa, I wish you were still here. If only you were here with me, I wouldn't feel so alone.
Stop, Bella! Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Hey Bella, you've been so quiet lately. What's going on?
Is everything okay?
I'm fine. I'm just busy at home. It's your mama there, isn't it?
Bella, you don't have to hide it from us. You can talk to us. You know that?
It just, no matter what I do, it's not enough for her. I'm so tired of trying to be perfect. Sometimes I just want to be secure. Don't say that. You're already enough and we love you.
Claire's right. You're not alone in this. We're friends.
Thanks guys. I don't know what to do without you both. May I request a group hug?
Yes, sure.
Do you do the assignment and from library?
No, I didn't do my own. You know Bella is so very competitive person? I think so. You dare. Hey, look Bella! Bro, we need the revenge. The perfectionist girl in our section. Hey, what's that? Give me. No.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating
That Isabella?
buwan. Away ba't di natin din na
Hey Isabella, is everything okay? Not really. I'm feeling overwhelmed.
I get that.
ngunit sa huli
Me too. My family puts a lot of pressure on me. Really?
I
I experienced like you. That's how exactly I feel with my mom.
You don't have to be perfect.
I'm here always for you.
Pipiliin kong maging
I wish I could believe that.
ulitin man.
I'm here always for you. Thanks, Alex. I'll remember that.
Ako,
I go now. See you later.
Okay, take care.
Cheater! You're a snake!
What do you mean?
We're just friends.
Friends? You are a liar! Bella! Hi, Claire.
Hi, Tita. Good evening.
Claire, what happened to Isabella?
I don't know, Tita. I think Isabella is in love.
Ella? Really?
Why did you tell me about this? I didn't want to disappoint you, Mom.
Disappoint? An 89 is not enough. You're supposed to be the best. Isabella, fix this. No more excuses.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Bro. Hi, Isabella. When you're the perfect student, how should it feel to always be a failure? Guess being smart doesn't stop you from being a loser, huh?
Please, just leave me alone. Isabella! Isabella, let's eat! Isabella? Where's Isabella? Here we go again. The room is messy again. Diary? What is this?
Dear Diary, I can't handle the pressure anymore. Mom is always angry, always looking for what's wrong. I wish I understood how hard this is for me.
Isabella,
Driver cannot be reached.
answer my
Please
call.
try again later. The
Isabella,
subscriber cannot be reached.
you come today.
Something's fishy.
Look, Tita.
The mother of Isabella.
Maybe this is the only way. No one will ever love me the way I want.
There is no room for mistakes. My expectation is very high. Isabella, what's happening to you? I told you need to be the best. There's no room for mistakes.
Could be this. Hello?
Bella, where are you? Tita Trinidad had an accident. I'll text you where we are.
Don't leave me! Mom! Please wake up! Mom! Please don't leave me! Mom! Please wake up! Please wake up! What happened to my mom?
The mother of Isabella.
Tita! Tita!
Dear Diary, I wish I had the strength to understand her while she was here. Maybe things would have been different. Maybe she wouldn't have left me like this. But I know now, her love was always there, hidden behind the pressure and the expectation. I just didn't see it in time. Mom, I'm sorry. I didn't understand. But I forgive you. I hope somehow you can forgive me too. promise. I'll be better for you and for myself. I'll carry your love always. Goodbye, Mom. I love you.
Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kong mahalin sa